got games to play. We've got friendships to make. We've got cakes to bake, cupcakes and candy. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery. Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, we love, we play, we make, we laugh, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh, we giggle, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery.
Good morning! Hey Roxy, how are you?
Hi Caramel, it's such a lovely morning, isn't it?
Oh yes it is! Are you all set for the big bake-off?
I've been working so hard here, and you know what? I have such a great idea for it.
That's grand! Just super! Awesome and incredible!
Thanks! Hey, what can I get you?
Ooh! I feel like Chocolicious Macchiato Super Awesome low-fat whipped cream with, of course, lots of sprinkles!
No toffee cupcakes?
Defo! For shizzles!
One chisel's coming right up.
Hey Candy Cane! You look pretty!
Hi Caramel Pie! Thanks! So do you. I love your boots!
Thanks, girl. I couldn't wait to wear them. eBay shipped them yesterday. They're so comfy.
Super! Hey, I'm so hooked to Candy Crush. Come sit. Help me out here.
Ooh la la! I'm happy to help you, ma chérie. It's time to sing a song together.
We're candy crushing, we're crushing candies. 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 Candy Crush, Candy Crush.
Let's play. Ooh, I love Mr. Bubblegum. He is so pink. I bet he even smells like bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
I just need to chew all the bubblegum. That's easy.
So delicious.
Orange candy, go right. Yellow, right. Ooh, watch out for that spaceship. I just love these pop-ups. Should I go for the blue now?
Oh, I love blue. Blue is dreamy.
Red fishy. Fish candy. Ew. How yucky would that be? I'm gonna dodge this blue square here. And orange it is. Two striped candies. Another yellow fishy. Oh yeah.
Divine.
Hey, look, look. We got our first rainbow colored disco ball. Candy, shall we?
Go for it. That seems like the best choice ever.
Oh yeah. Big hit. Go green. I'm Candy crushing it. Woohoo! Red, red, red! Only 7 more bubble gums to go. Oh, so cute! Look at this red fuzzy bubble ball. I love them. Candy, these fuzzy bubble balls are the best. Look at all them bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Divine. Tasty.
Check this out! I did it! I chewed all the bubble gums!
Don't you mean we did it?
Yes, my sweet candy cane. We did it. We are invincible. It's time to sing a song together.
We're candy crushing, we're crushing candies. 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 Candy Crush, Candy Crush. Few hours later.
Tomatoes, tomatoes, potatoes, go swish.
What is up with you? Are you alright?
Peas, 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 mushrooms. Oh, potatoes.
Caramel? Caramel?
Caramel? There's no caramel on this game. Shucks! I just lost this game.
Lost what?
This game. I am so stuck to it. If it was a nail polish, I'd wear it on my nails all the time. I love this game that much.
You say that about every game.
No, but this time I really mean it. You just have to play this game, Candy. You just have to.
And why do I have to?
I bet you can't score more than me. I betcha.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Well, bring it on, Care Bear.
You got it, Candy Cane. Competition is on. It's time to sing a song together.
Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it.
Let's play.
Vegetables. Capsicum. Red capsicum. Radish.
See? I told you I was addictive.
Oh, I absolutely love this game because the fruits and veggies are so yummy, yummy, bummy. And you know what? It's so easy peasy, Care Bear.
Oh, just you wait and watch, Candy Cane.
I can do anything. Lettuce, check. Capsicum, gotcha, check. Peas, check. Weird looking veggie, baby, check. Whoa, look at me go. Whee!
Get ready, Candy Cane.
Whoa, wait, what? What is happening?
Told ya.
What is going on? Why is everything moving so fast?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Excellent, Candy. Well done. Whoa! Look at how quickly I cleared level 10. How cool is this, Care Bear? Why are they jumbling up? Wait! No!
For you.
Level 12 is crazy, Caramel.
Oh, quick. Find the tomato.
Oh my god, they look all the same. Jumbled! No! No, 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 no! You say good when I am really great. No way! Oh, come on. I was doing so well.
That's okay, Candy Cane. It's only a game. It's time to sing a song together.
Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Find it, find it, find it, find it. We are gonna find it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! We've got games to play. We've got friendships to make. We've got cakes to bake. Cupcakes and candy. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery. Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, Roxy, caramel and candy. Woohoo! Roxy, caramel and candy. Yeah, yeah, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh, we play, we bake, we laugh, we giggle, we love, we play, we bake, we laugh. All this and more with 3 friends in a bakery.
Hey, Roxy!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, hi, Caramel. Sorry, I didn't even see you come in.
Are you alright?
Oh yeah, kind of. You see, I'm just trying to figure out this design for the cake I'm planning for the big bake-off.
Can I see it?
No, I mean, not yet. Let me put the finishing touches on it. I just want to get the perfect color and taste.
Okie dokie. I'll just wait for Candy. She should be on her way.
Oaksy doksies. Hey, you don't want to order anything?
No, not right now. Let's wait and see what your cake design looks like. Then we can plan something over a yummy soda pop.
Alrighty, I'm right here if you need anything.
I'm just gonna go sit there, wait for Candy.
Hi, Candy. What's up? Hi. Oh, just the usual. Would you believe B-Bay shipped the wrong order for me again? I am so upset. Okay. Caramel is waiting for you right there. Hey, girl. What's going on? What happened to your face, Caramel? OMG.
Oh, is it really that bad? I got hooked onto Candy Crush. I had extra time, you see. So I got no sleep last night.
Whoa, again? By the time I get extra time, I'm so tired, I just fall asleep.
That's adorbs. Candy, help me out here. Let's play.
Soda.
Ah, look at Miss Soda Octopus. She is fizzling. Look at green fuzzy bubble ball pop all the green candies.
Yay!
So delicious. Rainbow disco ball. Score.
So delicious.
And we popped soda bottles too.
Juicy.
I want to go for red right away.
Juicy.
Only 3 bottles to pop. It's time to sing a song together.
Soda pop, 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 in soda bottle, soda pop, 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 in soda bottle, soda pop, pop, in soda bottle, soda pop, 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 pop.
Love these purple candies. Look so yummy.
Ooh, look, a blue fishy and a purple one too.
6 bottles, 7, almost there. Go, fishies, go! Get the last bottle, quick!
I got them all! Yay!
So Soda Crush.
Ahem.
Don't you mean we got them all?
Of course. We got him. We got him all good, Candy. It's time to sing a song together.
Soda pop, 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 and soda bottle, soda pop, 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 and soda bottle, soda pop, 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 and soda bottle, soda pop, 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 pop.
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you later.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.